What advice would you like to give to aspiring gardeners?
Gosh, just learn. You know, I have learned literally all my information not only from books, but I've listened to people that are, gosh, 40 years my senior, 50 years my senior when I was younger. They have an awful lot of knowledge. In fact, a lot of older people have knowledge of ways to do things that are not even used now that work just as good as the fancy ways. So I don't understand why some people do things like they do, because they've made it a lot harder than it is. Gardening is just as simple as it can be. You take some seeds, you put it in the ground, you keep it wet, and it germinates. And if you've given it water, light, and some fertilizer, you're going to have you're going to benefit from it, whether it's flowers or fruit or vegetables. So let's go with one more. What's your favorite thing to grow? And then we'll stop today. Is that all right?
Yep.
I'll let you read that one.
What's your favorite thing to grow?
That's an easy one. By just deep down, I am a propagator. It fascinates me. It's not a particular thing, but it fascinates me. You can take a cutting that looks nothing more than looks like an ink pen, and if you handle it properly, put it under mist, you can get roots to grow on it. And that's how you get a new baby plant. And it's a miracle. And I've always been fascinated. I'm always challenged by it. I've done a little bit of tissue culture. I won't even get into tissue culture. Look it up, Google it. It's very fascinating. It's just taking a cell and turning it into a plant. Now, they do it with other things, but I'm talking about cell to plant. But I've always been told by people that I can put roots on a pencil. I don't know if it's true or not, but I am just always fascinated by it.